How to fix Airbnb payout not received. First of all, launch the Airbnb application onto your device. Once you open it, all you have to do is now go ahead and tap on your profile icon on the bottom right corner of your screen. Now make sure that your account is switched to the hosting account. From the host dashboard, all you have to do is now go to the menu and head to the earnings option. Once you're there in the earning option, you simply have to look for the insight and review the line item for the reservation under the paid out or upcoming payouts. If marked as paid, look for the unique tracking code or reference code assigned to that specific transaction. Then take that specific code and head to the Get Help section from your profile. Then tap on this Visit the Help Center, proceed to contact the operator itself, then tap on this Report a New Issue option, then paste your code over here and report or simply type in the message regarding not being able to receive the payout from the Airbnb. And that is how you can fix Airbnb payout not received. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.